Hey friends, today we will show you how to reset your PIN on Messenger. So let's get started. First, open your Messenger app. After entering Messenger, you will see a 3 lines menu option either at the top or bottom. Tap on it. From here, go to the settings option. Inside settings, you need to find the option called privacy and safety. Tap on privacy and safety. Here, you will see end-to-end encrypted chats. Tap on it. Next, after entering this section, you will see the message storage option. Tap on it. Here you will see an option called Reset PIN. Once you tap on Reset PIN, if you had previously set a PIN, it will ask you to enter your old PIN first and then you can create a new one. Since I didn't set any PIN earlier, it is showing me Create PIN. So I am entering a PIN here. After that, it is asking me to confirm the PIN again. Once I enter it, the PIN will be confirmed. If you face any problem understanding any step, let me know in the comments. I will reply. Thanks for watching.